maybe some experts say that lean manufacturing is an incomplete system from TPS.
Yeah, that's why I said about John Shook's comment about the model line and so forth. So you can achieve something, but it doesn't go up because there's certainly. But if he was talking like that, he's supposed to be knowing about it and being able to work on it instead of complaining about it. Because that approach, if it's not working, go through the PDCA and learn the step, and and then
For you, is the same?
I don't care about that discussion because even if you agree and discuss and write a report about it, what happened to the report and who's going to work on it? I mean, nobody can translate that book report into action. And that's where the Gemba idea of activity has to be part of it. That's a human nature. And you can complain, but my culture is bad. Okay, well, what do you do? And maybe that's when you have to work on the AI and other things. That's okay because it's open for you to do, but not dwell on it, but be pragmatic.
Yeah.
It's not the spirit of Lean. It's Gemba. What is the Gemba happening and what is missing? And give me the report, and not the report, but show me the example. Do it in 5 days. That kind of story.
Yeah,